a society where there is no welfare scheme of any sort at any level of the government, the poor, the aged, and the disabled, who are very vulnerable, are almost helpless and hopeless. The situation is made worse by the gradual disappearance of the extended family system in the African society. So the poor, the aged, and the disabled now depend greatly upon charity and philanthropy. With your donations, we shall be able to provide low-cost charity health care services to the needy. With your donations, we shall be able to provide an environment where human dignity is still respected. Collaboratively, we shall be able to provide and improve the quality of life in our communities. We need to bring resources together to change the cost and quality of health care in our rural and poor communities. Please donate whatever you can to help Emerald Foundation help the aged, the indigent, the widows, the orphans, and the
To donate, please go to our website, emeraldfoundation.org, and click on Donate.
Thank you.